Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Your people work from home sometimes, right? Have you ever wondered if they get less done compared to when they're in the office? A major new Microsoft study of 20,000 people claims that's the case. It says 4 out of 5 managers think their employees do less when they're working from home. But their staff don't feel the same. 87% of them feel more productive working remotely. We believe hybrid working is a good thing, so long as you trust your team and give them the right tools for the job. Does everyone have the right device at home? And do they have access to the best applications to effectively communicate and collaborate? If you want us to give you a quick productivity audit, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.